Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, June 10th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So we talked about in this morning's video about tempering your expectations and hoping for the best. Well, look, our range in ES, not even $3.50. Volume horrendous with 33 million. So the odds of being in the top 10 lightest again are on the table. But there was some opportunities. ES, well, let's start with righty. So righty goes out with a double distribution day and an afternoon pullback in H. However, they're down on the daily and down on the weekly for now. Okay? They gapped lower and then spent the whole day going back up to, to try to get things back. But they're still down. NQ goes out with a 9-wide point of control, but they failed to hold trend. They're not an inside day, but they barely took out yesterday's low, and they have an afternoon pullback in K. They never took out any single prints and stayed in the upper distribution from June 5th. Also, did not get the all-time high. ES goes out with a double distribution day, 3 sets of single prints, only an 8-wide POC, and an inside day. Weak against yesterday's low, got it to the tick, and never took out, obviously, Friday's all-time high. So at least you have that to look forward to with the inside day tomorrow. Again, we can't be surprised with the Fed looming on Wednesday and with CPI. At least tomorrow you have another stupid thing, a 1 o'clock bond auction. I think it's a 10-year. But kind of not surprised that the market's staying in this balance on the daily. Had a good day. Now, I'll be honest with you, was not looking to go trend up, let alone have 3 sets and at one point 4 sets in ES. Was not looking for that. They front ran the overnight lows, both of them. I did not long that. I actually shorted A period against value low when it pushed up. Made money on that. It got to value low and backed off. That was the only short of the day in NQ until L period. My next trade was actually in ES and B. I did not think we were going to go trend. So I took a short. It was sitting there, came in, it broke even. Actually could have made some money on it if I held it, but I broke even on it. Then it went back up again and took a short, and then it went against me, took it off. I was like, you know what? This thing is going to go trend. Took it off for a 3-tick loss. So a very minimal loss on that. And then after that, I was like, well, things have changed here. I'm going long. So NQ with the tempo and the single prints, I was long. I missed the pop to top. Did not get that. But I did long when they filled the single prints in C, which was nice, and then on any ebb and flow trades. Then in H period, I wasn't sure. They took back 1 set of singles, got long in H and NQ, did well on that. Now, I period, I thought they had a good chance. At least initially, I said, okay, D singles. Wasn't sure if they were going to take back the whole trend day. Now, in ES, I was looking for them to take back D singles. I thought that would have been a very nice risk-reward long if they filled those, because you'd still have 2 sets below you. You had value low from Friday, and we had gotten value finally back to unchanged after being lower on the day, but it never got there. NQ then, I took a long an I, got paid, I took a long, and then I said, okay, I'm not doing anything unless we fill the single prints. I didn't do anything in J. Well, guess what? K came down, took a 3 lot, and boom, it bounced hard, real hard. It was a very nice trade and got paid on that. And then in L period, I'm like, well, they took back the whole trend day. Don't see them going trend again. It popped the top. I shorted 26 and took it. I got a quick 10 points off of that. So we saw the market well and had a good day overall. As far as our destinations go, in ES, the upside is today's high of 75. 75, I'm not carrying forward the 8-wide POC. Then we have single prints, 57.25 to 54.50, 52.25 to 51.75, and the third set, 49.50 to 48.25, and today's low of 41. which is weak. SPY, again, I'm putting everything on here now. 535.99 is today's high. And then we have the single prints, 534.22, 533.90, 533.72 to 533.63, and 533.42 to 533.27. And look at today's low, 532.57. We never took out Friday's low. So that's going to be a target at some point. How close ours is and the week low in ES. Okay? And then just quickly on the chart, it's going to show you the monthly and weekly are up. Now again, we've been discussing this in the room. It's an inside day. I'm calling it a 4-day balance. Some people might just call it a 3-day balance. I don't have a problem with that. That doesn't mean if we take out today's low, I'm not going to look for shorts because I'm like, okay, last Wednesday's the balance low. No, because we have time to get down to there. But I will respect Wednesday's low if we got there tomorrow, because to me, that would be the real important balance low. Okay? So again, inside day, go with it. Monitor for continuation, and especially on a day like tomorrow prior to the Fed, or lack of. 34 million on the tape as of right now. Horrific. Anyway, hope you had a good day trading. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.